Hey guys, I am so excited. I finally got my dream hair dryer, which is the Dyson Supersonic. As you can see here, I am very excited. I have waited for this for the longest. So this video is practically just going to be me unboxing it for the first time ever. I do want to mention that I got my hairdryer from Sephora just because I realized that if you sign up for their credit card, you do get 25% off your first purchase. And so, of course, I got the credit card and made my first purchase. I ended up paying about $350 after tax, so that was a pretty good deal. I got it in the color white silver. The package itself comes with 5 different styling attachments, but I mainly am only going to use a diffuser just because my hair is curly and yeah, just to diffuse my hair. So I also purchased the case for it, just so I can store it away when I need to. I know that there is other cheaper alternative options, but I really wanted to get the original case by Dyson, just because I like the leather and the color. So that is everything for this video. Let me know if you would like to get a full review on it and what it's like for me to use it on my hair. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and well, yeah, comment down below if you're interested. Bye!